You tired?
Denise.
I said, are you tired?
What do I need to say?
I can tell you yawning in my ear. Well, they shut up now.
Jamie wants you to go out.
What?
Nothing. Jamie wants to go out with you.
I already went out with him.
I don't care. That's what I'm telling him.
Oh. No, she didn't say that. She said I wanted to go out with you. I want to. I said I already went out with you. Which I'm going to go back out with him again, but we don't know when that's going to happen. Nobody here. Ow! Don't pinch me.
Don't me then. Benji! I got a boyfriend named Benji. He's 18.
That's her sister's boyfriend.
He's 19. Ow! My bad.
Like,
Watch the
pinch me.
Not
Oh,
much.
it's recording
No.
us.
Okay, let's stop it.
It's recording.
Ooh.
I had the webcam on and it's
6
recording
minutes
us.
and 35 seconds.